Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on mono audio on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So your S25 Ultra supports stereo and mono. So let me show you how to turn on mono. So first, go ahead and bring down the notification bar, tap on settings at the top right, scroll down until you see accessibility. From here, find hearing enhancements. And now from this menu, find mono audio. So this will play the same sound out of both speakers. Go ahead and tap on this and go ahead and turn this feature on. Now you can go ahead and select where to use a mono audio, so which plays the same sound out of the both speakers. So you can have connected audio or connected audio and phone speakers. So go ahead and choose your preference. And there you go guys, that is how to turn on mono audio on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.